Ka election commission kari ha ka arpu pratrik unai luar kelapan bena ban penlong ya ka election shiteng samoy ha kilai teli ke constituency ke jela ha ka lai potrik urisau arhajar arpu wei kata ha maureng keneng Raja Bala bat mauplang constituency hadin beginong mi khmat jokini ki constituency kelaklat no u chief electoral officer ke jela uba FR Kharkongor ulong ba kejing penlong yakini ki election ke nomor kejing klat no UMLA barem ke maureng keneng uba David Nongrum yang tak kejing klat no UMLA ke Mauplang uba SK Sun bat kejing klat no UMLA ke Raja Bala u Dr. Azad Zaman. Ule tu bahak kalai pau terik urisau un penlong yang kejing etap vote bat kejing nyo vote kan long hak ar terik unai biang. Ulong bakat tarik ke bakado ban tap kerteng ki kertong ki bana aireng ki election kan kot hak pra terik urisau. Bat kejing kemi ibnia aki kot kisla kan long hak katwei terik urisau. Uba FR Kharkongor ulong bah kajing penlong ek election ka election commission keri kala batharu ban penjur gi kendon perking bat ban pentikena badi ban bodenti gi kendon jing batha banyada naka klam COVID-19
by elections in 30 assembly constituencies across 30 states and 3 parliamentary constituencies have been announced which in Bukabakuntup ya ki lightly ki constituency hangni hapo Jela Jungi, kata kari ka 13 Maurengkeneng constituency, ka 24 Mauplang constituency, kemudian East Khasiels, kat koi ka 24 Raja Bala constituency, kemudian apa West Garo Hills. Te ka date of poll kila fix kari ka life tarik jo ubnai October, kat ka counting bade kari ha ka 8 tarik jo ubnai November. And ka date of issue of gazette notification kan dai si tarik jo ne jo kini kitayo. Te katkum kene ka notification mal aina po election commission kila don ki kendon ki ba rogi badai bat kene ka broad guidelines ki ban follow por jong ka COVID-19 no because of the COVID-19 te kini ki broad guidelines rong ki ya rengkat ru bat ki guidelines ki bagi ai naga state government namta COVID-19 protocol nei ka bare bat ka election bada habare bajonga nomination during pre and post nomination process ka public meeting is prohibited and only 3 vehicles sang lightly ki kali kisha ban company ya ki candidate ki ba one for nomination within a periphery of 100 meters of the RO's office, so no procession for nomination shall be permitted. Tadi goi beri jong campaign period pada indoor kisah tang 50% of allowed capacity lene arspangut gibrio whichever is less kan then goi ka register ru kin have maintain ban count ye ki number of people attending the meeting then kabalai beri jong outdoor 50% of capacity namata ki star campaigner but 1000 I mean 1000 in case of star campaigner and namanta ki babri ki non star campaigner bre tang sans pangon lane 50% of the capacity whichever is less te kane entire area ru kan hamlong cordon off by the police but kane ke area ka bagi cordon off ru but bagi barricade ka expenditure kina bear ki political party kinumsha kanu no road show lane ka motorbike cycle rally but street corner meeting ru maximum tang sanphongut kinsha for street corner meeting ki do to do campaign ru tang sangot gibrio kinsha including candidate and the representative then campaign through video ru shubo kinaya through video van tang sanphongut hakishi jaka but ki total vehicles to be used ru ki maximum 20 per vehicle then haka poll day pare maximum tang arngut ki vehicle with 3 persons shall be allowed but ki DO ru can have take appropriate measures hapo kasi counting ru sinyo ru kin non ki COVID-19 protocol ki ba day but ki social distancing but ki safety protocol norms but kumbagalong gani ka situation menta long baro nginali cheyo ru have deng mask ne te hapo ka during election ru kini social distancing ki use of mask sanitizers thermal scanning ki face shield ki glove kum tu kat kum COVID-19 protocol kin hab ya te na state government ru kin hab pe ye gini ki measures mara ka jo ko por ru ki daran gino candidate and ki political parties ki violate ki withdraw ka permission man penong meeting but ki polling personnel but election officials can have long double vaccinated ki candidate ki polling agent candidate election polling agent whoever is coming in contact with the public or election officials will also have to be double vaccinated.